I cannot believe it is already December. Like, I swear to God, March was just yesterday. Like, my brain cannot compute how it is already December.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, it's Eva and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title that this will be my Christmas wish list video. I may guess it's a little late because I've heard that like everyone's shopping online, so it may not come on Christmas time. I've actually not bought my gifts yet, so we're gonna have to like do that soon. Let's just get on to the video. Okay, so the first thing on my list is a hammock. Now at my university, we can like just hang hammocks at we have like some special like places to hang hammocks. I'm sure like you can kind of hang them anywhere. But I'm always walking around campus, I'm always seeing people on hammocks, and that just looks so comfy and so fun to me that I really want one. Now the second thing on my list is a fluffy robe. Now I already have two robes. One of them has a stain and the other one is just, I don't really like it. Next are bath bombs. I love bath bombs. Like I don't have a bath bomb, I don't have a freaking bathtub here on my campus, my dorm room. But whenever I go home, I can always use it, or like if I'm ever in a place with a bathtub, I can use that. And I want at least one of them to be Lush, and it's the intergalactic one because last time I bought one and then I used it, I wasted it because like I like turned around for a second and it just went underneath the faucet, and by the time I realized, I was like, oh shit, and it was gone. It just no longer existed. It looked really nice too though. The water was like all glittery and blue, and I just loved how it looks in general. So I definitely want that bath bomb again, and they're just really expensive. They're like $8. A blender. I really need a blender because like I just want to like make smoothies or something, and I just don't have a blender. I've actually been asking for a blender for the past 5 years now, and my mom has always told us that, oh, we already have a blender, there's already a blender, just go get it, go find it. And like she never really told us where it is. And I just saw it over Thanksgiving break, and it's this old blender, you know, it's a really old blender, it looks old, but it was kind of like the Loch Ness it was kind of like the Loch Ness Monster kind of thing. Like I've always been told of this blender, but I've never seen it, and I literally thought it did not exist. Like my mom was always going like, go get the blender, we have a blender, and I'm just like, what blender? This blender does not exist. It's like fucking Santa Claus. Like you're telling me it exists, but I've never seen it in my life. The next thing on my list are LED lights. Now I don't want just like fairy lights, but I want like the strips. I already have like fairy lights, I already bought them, but I've always wanted the strips. I think they light up the room a lot better. Fluffy slippers. I didn't want these before because I normally do not like slippers. Like, I don't like having closed-toed shoes, like closed-toed stuff. But whenever I saw these slippers that are like trending right now, I guess, it was like where your toes are still exposed. And I know that they have it at Urban Outfitters, and then they have like cheaper ones at Target. They are all sold out right now, but I do want something like them, so hopefully they get back in stock sometime soon. The next thing on my list are matching PJs. I don't really have any nice PJs, so I definitely have been looking. I have been looking for PJs, and I think it's just the perfect thing to ask for Christmas. Knee-high boots. Now I've always wanted knee-high boots. I think they're just so cute. I really don't know where I'd wear them because I mean, here in Florida we don't really have a winter. Like right now it is freezing. It's like 30 degrees at night, 40 degrees like during the day, which it is cold. Like we have humidity, so it's like this wet cold. So right now would be a perfect time to use them, but again, our winter only probably lasts like 2 months or so, and it can also be on and off. The next thing on my list is mascara. I am wearing mascara right now, but it's really old mascara, probably like 2 years old. And the last thing on my list is blush. I don't have any blush. I've been kind of getting into where I've been wanting to wear blush, and I just don't have any. Might as well ask for it for Christmas. So that's the end of my list. I know it was really short. I had trouble like trying to come up myself with what I want. A lot of people have been asking me and I keep saying I don't know, so I actually sat down and then I made a list. But anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave it a like. If you didn't, you can dislike it. I don't care. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!